So let us look at regular expressions in Python. So before going to regular expressions, let us look at a little bit of theory. So what are regular expressions we shall look at, and why we need to use make use of this regular expression. What are basic regular expressions like email verification, phone number verification, and web scraping using regular expression, right? So let's take this example. Now, how to find the date and time from this log file? Now, if you say Control F, you can only find first slash July slash 2013, right? But if you want to find all the data which is having date slash month slash a year, then it is not possible to do it with a regular Control F, right? So that is where we can make use of regular expression, so that it will find all of this 1 slash July slash 2013, and if there is similar occurrence of any string within this particular file, it will find it for you. Or rather, let's say you want to find out whether a given string is a male, right? So what you will do, you will see that before the at the rate sign, there is a there are what you say alphanumeric characters, meaning alphabets as well as numbers, right? And at the rate sign is followed by some text dot maybe com or maybe dot co dot in or dot gmail or whatever it is, right? So I cannot find whether suppose my mail id is, let's say, message for Naresh at gmail.com. If I say Control F, I can find a single text. But what if I want to find any text which is having, or which is having this format of mail, right? Or let's say you want to find out number, right? A telephone number or a mobile number. So let's say in India we starts with 91 hyphen the number. In US it could be three digits, then three for hyphen, then three digits, then hyphen, then four digits. Or somebody can write it a little differently. How do we find all those things? Or let's say you have this database and you have this zip or pin code here 59006, and you want to replace not only 59006 but any character which is having five digits, right? And you want to replace with maybe some other format, for example. So that is where you can make use of regular expressions. Now regular expression is not something which is new to Python. It has been around for a very long time. It is there in Java, PHP, C Sharp, Groovy, Scala, Python, Ruby. So pretty much all the languages have regular expressions that you can make use of, right? So let's look at some examples. But before we do that, a little bit more theory we will look at, and then we'll jump on to looking at examples. So I have taken this example from this URL. I'll share this with you while once we are done. So let's get started with this discussion. So what is regular expression? RE specifies a set of string or a pattern that matches it, right? I just told you with those diagrams that I want to find a pattern of let's say a telephone number which is three digits hyphen three digits hyphen four digit. So so in order to understand that RE regular expression, we need to understand what is meta character are useful and important, and it will be used in functions or functions of the module RE, which is regular expression, right? Now there are 14 meta characters, and will be discussed as follows. So I mean, just now it will not make sense to you, but I'm just reading through each one of them, and then once we go to the example, it will start making sense. Okay. So this is a slash, right? Backslash. It is used to drop special meaning of character followed by it. So I hope you remember that if you want to escape a particular character, let's say single quote, you can say slash of that, right? Or if you have two bracket, two, this is a square bracket, right? Two square bracket, it represents a character. Okay, don't worry if you are not understanding it right now, but with examples you will understand. Caret sign means match at the beginning. Dollar sign means match at the end. Dot means match any character except new line, means anything except it is slash n. Slash n is new line. Question mark means occurrence is, it is occurring either zero or once, right? Pipe means or, yes. And then Star means occurring any number of times, either 0, 1, 2, or 10 or 100, any number of times. Plus means one or more, either one or more. So there is a difference between star means 0 or more, it is one or more, right? And then curly braces means indicates number of occurrence of a preceding RE to match, preceding some character which is preceding a certain set of characters. We'll look at with an example. And similarly enclose a group of regression REs. We will look at this also. Okay, so let's try to understand this with this small example. In order to use a regular expression like we just did with the unit test, we also import a module, right? Import RE. Now here what I have to do is I'm saying re.compile. So let me bring up my PyCharm and try to explain it with that. So let me close all of this. Okay, now how we are going to do is I'm not going to type all this code, but we look at a code, we'll take it and we'll make changes on it and we'll see how it works, whether it's working the way we are expecting it to work, right? So let's go here. Now I'm first of all I import the RE module regular expression. This is something which we know of. Now I say re.compile this bracket, right? This is a square bracket. So let's go back here. What it meant represents a character class. So when I say a hyphen e, it means any character, whether it is a, b, c, d, or e, right? So first of all, compile, what it does, it creates a regular expression class of a to e, which is equivalent to a, b, c, d, e, right? Now class this will match with any of the string, either a or b or c or d or e, right? So if I say after I compile that regular expression here, I get an object. On that I say find all of this. Okay, now what is this going to do? As you will see that P is a compiled regular expression, right, from A to E. So it will take a character and see if is this matching with any of, is this matching with any of this? No, right? It's an uppercase, the other one is lowercase. A is Y matching? No. E is matching? Yes. So one of the output will be E. Then is this matching? No. Is this matching? No. S is matching? No. A is matching? Yes. So it looks for all those characters which are matching with this uh, particular expression which we have created here, right? So let's run this program and see what happens. So can you see out of this particular string, all the matching, first was E, then there was A, then there was uh, D was there, right? This is an uppercase, right? It is case sensitive. We can choose to ignore it, right? So let's say first of all, let me put all A's, right? It is case sensitive. So what do I get? Right click, run as. I don't get, I get an empty list, right? Okay, so what we will do is I'll share this code with you. We'll do some changes in this. We'll play around and see how it is actually working. Okay, now let's have a look at second one, which is even more interesting. So I will open this. Now I'm saying compile slash d, right? Slash d, what is slash and what is d? So slash means used to drop the special meaning of a character. So slash d basically represent any digit here, right? So if I say, first of all, I compile, I just explained what is compile in the previous code. Now if I say p dot find all, so what will it give? Let me first comment this code. So it will look for each digit in this, right? I went to him, this is a digit, right? Then this is a digit, right? This is a digit, all these are digits, right? So let's try to run this program. So do you see 1 1 4 1 8 8 6, right? Fine. Now what if there is a plus here? So let me remove this again and let me remove this again. So plus, I just told you here, what is the meaning of plus? One or more occurrence, right? So this is one occurrence or more, so it will be 11, this is 1 and this is 1886, right? It's a combination of digits it could be a single digit or more than one digit, right? So if I run this program, so I got the number, right? So this is a very powerful way of extracting some data from a particular string.
What is D plus?
D plus plus means occurrence more than one.
Okay, only one. The
No,
one.
no, one or more,
Okay.
right? If I, it is plus. Plus means one or more. So it could be one, two, three, as many as it could be.
Okay, so instead of split every number, it will group that numbers.
Yes, splitting we will see in some time,
No,
but
no, not splitting.
yeah,
It
split
will
is
print.
different.
Yeah, only D will print every
Yes,
number.
that is individual numbers. Plus means, see here slash d means a number, plus means one or more of that number, right? So I will just mail this program, please try it out. Okay, so let's look at this example. Now I'm saying first compile it, which is AB star. Star means what? Zero or more, right? So I will go to star here, any number of occurrence including zero, right? So what this will do, this is AB. So it is for star is for B only, right? So A, B, right? So let's run this program and then I will explain to you how it is working. So AB, right? A, B, B, right? And then I'm getting A, A also. Why A here? So it can be zero as well, right? And then I'm getting A, B, multiple occurrences of B, right? So this is a very small program. I believe you can write this. Can you please write and try it out? So next try, let's try next variation. Okay. Now this is you will see it is interesting. Let me first comment this one. Let me comment this also, and let me comment this. Okay. Now it is capital W n plus, right? So W plus denotes non-alphanumeric characters or group of characters, right? So alphanumeric is what? Alphanumeric is words and characters and numbers, but it is non-alphanumeric. So let's try to, okay, here we are splitting, if you will see, right? Yes. So it is splitting with what? Non-alphanumeric characters, right? So let's run this. So my first split is words because of this space. Second split is because of the other space I have, right? Yes, no. Alphanumeric is basically what? Numbers and characters. But here W, capital W plus means non-alphanumeric. Space is non-alphanumeric and therefore it is splitting with the help of that, right? Then uh, let's try this one. Okay. Now you will see it has split with the help of this, this space and this space, right? Even it has considered this as a non-alphanumeric, so it has split word, then s, then words and words, right? Yes, no. So this is an ability to, now let's take up this one, W plus. So first will be this one, right? So let's try to, so there is, this one is also there, right? For splitting, run as, I get on 12th Jan 2016 at 11, colon is also used for splitting, right? And AM.
Can we remove some of them, like if we want only spaces to be the delimiter? So
Yeah, we will see how we can define a specific delimiter. Okay. Then so let's now splitting with the help of splitting with number. D plus means D is a number, plus means occurrence which can happen once or more than once, right? So now the it will be, this will be one, the splitter is a number, so I'll get this much and then the text after that. Space, yes, right? So now the splitter is a number. So first split is happened here, second split happened up till here, right? Then this is a D plus. Then I'll get this one, sorry, I'll get this comma, and then this is another, and then sorry, not comma, from here till here I'll get, because next splitter is the number which is 11, and then I'll get a colon also, and then next splitter is this, so I'll get space and am here, right? So I'll just mail this file, please just try it out. Before we continue further, slash d means decimal, which is 0 to 9. Capital of slash d means non-digit, right? Then slash s means white space. Capital of means any non-white space. Slash small w and capital W is also there. So this is matches any non-alphanumeric character, right? Yeah, so I will share this, or actually this is all, this is given here in this link. So I am mailing this to you. I have taken the examples also from here. So you can try this link for the explanation. Since you are asking whether we can split with a specific character, so let's say I want to split with comma. Okay, so if I give here, I only have one comma, right? One split and the other split here, right? So let's try to run this program. So I've got the two splits, one and two here, right? So
whatever delimiter you put in on the first.
yeah, whatever you specify here in as the first argument in that split function, it is used for as a delimiter for doing the splitting. Yeah, so if you specify space, let me run it. So it is split with the space, right? Okay, so let's try another combination now. Now when you are doing splitting, you can also specify how many times you want the splitting to occur. One of the argument here is 1, right? So let's say it was splitting 5 times, but I just want to split it once with a D plus. D plus means a number here, right? So let's run this. So I'm getting this ON up till here, and then TH and up till here, right? So there is only one split that has happened, right? If I remove this one, it will be the regular split we have already seen, right? It will split with D plus, means each digit which is once, one or more than once. So it's a split with that decimal number, right? Can you? Okay. Now this is interesting. I'm saying split. So what is this? This is a combination of A from A to F, right? Any occurrence from A to F, and plus means one or more than once or more than once, right? So let's run this program. First of all, let me comment this. So it is split with a E, right? A, B, C, D, E, F. So it is split with an E, right? It could be any character between A and F. So first split is A in bit. So because of split, I got A and Y. Then B O Y. Why B O Y? Because B O Y, none of it occurs between A to F. Then space is also there. O H is also there, right? Then next C. C is there in the split. O is not there. So OM is coming here. Is it clear what I'm explaining? Yes? Yes? So this is how we can do a lot of splitting and with the various combinations. So this means any character between A to F, it might be occurring once or more than once, since it is a plus sign here. Right? Case sensitivity, I can pass a flag here to ignore case. So in that case, so let's say I ignore case with this argument here. Okay, now it will be split with A also. No, it is not, right. It is here, it is splitting with E. Splitting with E means A, first A will, capital A will come. But if I run this, so it is splitting with this also. Now, so splitting with this means empty code in the beginning, right? Is it clear? So try this program also. I'll just mail it to you. So replace is very much similar to what we have done. I mean, if you'll go to this, same method is there. I mean, if you look at sub here, I'm saying look for numbers, right, in this one. So let me first of all take the simplest one. I'll comment this. I will comment this and I will comment this as well, right? Now I'm saying look for UB in this string and replace with tilde sign and star sign, right? So UB is, this is UB here, first occurrence, this is not. Yes. So if I try to run it, let's see what happens, as UB has been replaced. Yeah, but I can even choose to say ignore case. If I ignore case, then UB of this will be replaced and UB from Uber will also be replaced, right? Now we can also choose to give that how many times you want to go and replace in that string, whether you want to do it once or twice, right? So if you specify a count here, you need to go and do it only once. So although this is case insensitive, but it will only replace in the UB here, right? And then slash r before the pattern denotes it's a regular expression, and slash s for the start and end of the string. So it will be, where is my a and d, this one here. So a and d, it will replace it with this ampersand sign here, right? Yes. So if I, so it will look for uh, this pattern a and d, and slash s for start and end of a string means before there is a string, after that there is a string. So if I run this, it will ignore the case and it will replace this with this particular character, right? So let me run this program. So this is how it will replace that. This is r means treated as a r before this denote that it is a regular expression. This one, this is what it is. Fine, I'll just mail this, please try it out.